Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited to be sharing a new to me card kit. This is the Scrapbook and Cards Today Daffodil Days card kit from spring 2019. And I'm going to do an unboxing and show you the contents of the kit. First, I wanted to show you the little insert that comes with the kit. It has some inspiration cards on the inside, as well as some instructions on how to make that. It has some information on some free downloads that you can get your hands on as a purchaser of the card kit. And then on the front, we have all of the contents of the kit. So I'm going to start off by showing you some of the exclusives. So this month, the stamp set is a 3x4 stamp set. This was designed by Lisa Dickinson, and it has the sentiments: Happy Mother's Day, congratulations, celebrate spring, mom, happy Easter, and then it has 2 flowers and some leaves. You get 2 coordinating dies with that. So this one is the congratulations, and I did go ahead and die cut that to show you. So once you die cut it out, you can go ahead and stamp it. This one is for the Happy Easter sentiment, and it has some really beautiful, if I can hold on to it, stitched detailing. So that's really pretty. The other exclusives that come in the kit are these 2 metal flare. This heart is really pretty, and then we have a daisy. And the other exclusives are the download cut files that I was talking about. So I'm going to jump into the pattern paper, and then I will come back and do the rest of the embellishments. Included in the kit is a full 6x6 paper pad. This is Echo Park Spring Fling, and I have not opened it yet, but you can see all the patterns here on the front. So these are 24 double-sided papers. There's some cut aparts, some really pretty patterns, the butterflies, the little rain boots, some kites on the back, and then the patterns repeat. In the kit, you'll also get basil cardstock. This is African Daisy, and then Pinkini, which is so cute, Petty Cash, and then Navajo. Included are also some 12x12 pattern papers. So this is the a couple papers from the Simple and Sweet Pink Fresh Studio line, and these are double-sided. This is also from the Sweet and Simple line with a really pretty pink argyle pattern on the back. You also get some pattern paper from the Easter Wishes. This is called Cute Chicks. So adorable with the little chicks on the back. And this one is gorgeous, called Easter Flowers, with a really pretty bright spring motif on the back. To match, you'll also get some of the Spring Fling ephemera. These are by Echo Park. Lots of goodies in this ephemera pack. So there are 33 pieces in that. A full sheet of the Doodlebug shaped sprinkles in tiny hearts, and there's 98 pieces. There's a sticker sheet from La La Love by Crate Paper, 128 stickers. So there's some sentiment stickers and then some really pretty hearts and XO patterns. Some Sticko butterfly stickers in gorgeous spring colors. A couple of Doodlebug little sunny sky clips. This is the sun and the cloud. There's a Jolie's Buttercream Mum. This is a fabric flower, really pretty. We have some May Arts ribbon, the yellow stripe ribbon and the pink gingham ribbon. And then included in the kit are 4 envelopes and 4 card bases of a really nice weight. So that is the contents of the Daffodil Days Scrapbook and Cards Today Spring 2019. Let me just put this stamp back in here in the dies so you can see them. Stay tuned for a card video with some cards from this kit. All the information will be linked below. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.